It was a space explorer that taught us Earth is not alone amongst a handful of planets. The Kepler Space Telescope taught astronomers there are billions of planets, some of them with potential to be home to life.
Now, as 9 News Science Craig Smith reports, Kepler's fuel is depleted, so its mission is over. But U of A researchers say what Kepler collected will continue to expand what we know.
Scientists only knew the planets in our own solar system when they thought of the Kepler mission 35 years ago. By the time Kepler launched 9 years ago, they knew of several hundred exoplanets.
But we weren't sure whether these were just flukes or planets like Earth were common in the galaxy. And now, 9.5 years later, we know of thousands of individual planets, and we know that the statistics say from this sample that there are actually more planets than stars in our galaxy.
U of A astronomer Ben Rackham says scientists used the more than 2,600 planets Kepler found in just a portion of the sky to estimate there are billions of planets, and maybe a fourth of them are the right distance from their stars to have liquid water, the requirement for life as we know it. But even though NASA created whimsical tourism posters for some of these planets, they are too far to reach, and we haven't really seen what they look like.
When Kepler was hunting planets, it wasn't so much a matter of what it did see. It was what it didn't see. If it's looking at a star and sees a dark object pass in front and cut off some of that light, there's your potential planet.
Kepler was designed to last about 4 years, but engineers kept it alive for an extra 5 years of exploring. But now the fuel that aims the spacecraft has run out. The mission is over.
Kepler becomes like a person, like a colleague that you've worked with. So it's sad that Kepler is not still collecting data, but we are really happy about all that Kepler has gotten so far.
But just a few weeks ago, Kepler's successor opened its eyes. It's known as TESS. Astronomers will point it at 200,000 stars to look for more planets and maybe life. Craig Smith, KCON 9 on your side.